Come on now. I love you. These are so good. At a follower's request, today we are making lemon ricotta cookies. Jennifer, this one's for you. Let's get started. In the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm adding in 1 stick of softened butter and 1 cup of sugar, and we're just gonna cream that together. With the mixer on low, we're gonna add in 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of ricotta cheese that I drained overnight. And we're just gonna mix that together. Now we're gonna add in the juice of half of a lemon that I already zested. Hold your lemon cut side up so if there are any seeds in there, they don't fall into your mixture. Now I'm adding in the zest of that lemon that we just juiced. Now we're just gonna give that a mix, get that all incorporated. Now that we have all our wet ingredients incorporated, we're gonna add in our dry ingredients. So I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and a teaspoon of salt. And give that a mix. Okay, so you should have a nice stiff batter now that we're gonna roll into balls and put on a cookie sheet. So let's go back to the counter. Okay, so I have a cookie sheet that I lined with parchment paper, and our dough is ready. I'm gonna take an ice cream scoop. I'm just gonna scoop little balls onto the parchment paper. And you wanna make them level. We have all of our dough rolled out onto our cookie sheet. These do not spread a tiny bit, nothing at all major. So you can get a lot of cookies on 1 cookie sheet. They pretty much stay puffed up in a ball. So we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven for about 15 to 18 minutes, or just until the bottom starts to turn golden brown. While our cookies are baking off in the oven, let's make the glaze for it. This couldn't be simpler. I have a cup of powdered sugar, the other half of the lemon that we're just gonna juice in the bowl, okay? I like to add a half a teaspoon of lemon extract. Don't go crazy with this because it's powerful. It just brings home that lemon flavor, just in case your lemons aren't the best. And then I add in a pinch of salt. The salt does 2 things. 1, it cuts the sweetness of the powdered sugar, and 2, it brings out the lemon flavor. Salt is a flavor enhancer. And then we're just gonna mix that up. So you see how we're still very thick, so we need a little more liquid. So I'm gonna add in tablespoon at a time of half and half, just until we get the desired consistency. Now you're just gonna give that a good mix, get all the lumps out, and get all of your lemon juice, extract, and salt incorporated. And this is exactly the consistency that we're looking for. We want it to be very thick, because it's a glaze, but pourable at the same time. Now we're just gonna set this aside and wait for our cookies to be done. So if you've watched my other videos on my Italian Christmas cookies prior to this, you can see the theme here. Italian Christmas cookies are not hard to make, they're not fussy, and they're not meant to be. You can make these. You can make them better than what you can buy in the store, and you can customize them any way you want. For example, these lemon ricotta cookies, they don't have to be lemon. You can make them anise flavored. You can make them vanilla bean flavored. You can make them orange flavored. The combinations are endless. Do what you feel is best. Do what you like to do. My family likes lemon. Again, do what your family likes. Okay, our cookies are done. They're fresh out of the oven. My house smells like a bakery. I love it. Nice and golden brown on the bottom, pale on the top. And now we're gonna take the glaze that we made, and we're just gonna dip the cookies. And now we're just gonna lay them on the cookie sheet and let the glaze set. And while the glaze is still wet, you just wanna sprinkle on some festive little sprinkles. I'm gonna do all these, and then I'll show you what they look like when they're done. Our lemon ricotta cookies are done, and aren't they so cute on my fancy little Christmas paper plate? How cute. They're so soft and pillowy. Come on now. I love you. These are so good. This is everything that a lemon ricotta cookie should be. It's soft, it's pillowy, it's moist. They are so good. If you want the recipe for my lemon ricotta cookies, comment recipe in the box below, and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Jennifer, I really hope you enjoy these.